Good morning! Day 2 in Coron. Di ba ang puti ng mukha ko?
Ow!
Nagba-vlog. So day 2 in Coron. We're gonna have a chill tour today. Chill tour, so more like picture lang. So may sunscreen ako. So yung puti ng face ko. Okay, we're in the port. I have malunggay pandesal. Cheese inside. I am Coron. So picture taking muna before pumunta sa bangka. Okay. I love it. Hi, Anna! There's a logger vlogger na doon. Ay, I don't know. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan kami. It's my swing. So, from the town to this island, mga 1 hour 30 minutes yung biyahe namin. Yun. So, while waiting, nandun kami sa upper deck, nagbibilad. But here's the beach. It's not crowded. Okay lang. But it's white. White sand siya. So nice. Unicorn. Bakit siya naging unicorn? Ganun. Vlog. Hi vlog! Hi vlog! Okay. Date of tour. Malkapuya. Bakit siya naging Malkapuya?
Mag-demonetize na yun.
Oo nga, na-cancel bigla. Di pa nagsisimula.
Andito naman lang sa
And we're here. Ano pangalan nito, Loder?
Bulugdos.
We're here in Bulugdos. Yan. It's just a small island. Ang gagawin dito ay... Sino friend? Si Blackie.
Hello. Whitefish.
Tangi, where are we? Gavin's Kitchen and Bar. Yan. Siya nag-focus. Hannah, what did you order? Kebab. Kebab. Okay. Doon na lang. No racist jokes. Price. Sige, kuha ka na. Kita ko na pakuha ka na yan. Ano yung kay Case? What's yours, Case? Pita.
What she said.
What she said. What did you say? Ito ang perfect. Sobrang sulit. My God, they're so big. Talang, ito yung hands ko. Ano ba to? Actually, buong hands ko.
Oo nga, ako rin.
That's
Sabi
it.
ng coach mo, yung kakainin mo lang daw ito. So, sa'yo.
What's your food? Burger. How big is the burger?
Half of my face.
Sige nga.
The perfect
Dahil
bite.
lang. Give us the perfect bite. Okay.
Puro tinapay na.
Puro unang kagat tinapay. Ayan na. Oh my God. Ito yung one of the must try na food daw nila. Sa ano, ewan ko. Basta kung tulad. Dynamite. That's it. And the price is also good. Okay. Ano yan? Ano yan, Hannah? Oh, the kebab is also big.
Hala?
And the sisig.
Grabe, friends.
But it's chopped.
Okay, yan. Perfect bite.
Hala. Okay, give the perfect bite. Bigay mo kay Gavin. Oh, what's inside? It's bacon and beef. Good. Ang sarap nito. Buy this, guys, when you go to Gavin's Kitchen and Bar. Wow. Okay, Gavin's pa ka naman. Meh.